Hungry Ecocities presents, from the Humanizing Technology Experiments, the project Ecoshroom.
Hello everyone, I'm Ivan Henriques, environmentalist, artist and researcher. For over 15 years I've been creating symbiotic relationships between plants and machines, exploring possibilities of sustainable technological advancement without damaging the environment, developing alternatives driven by climate change. In discussion with Carlo Ratti Associati, Rethinking Urban Spaces and Urban Food Challenges, we focus on the potential of integrating AI to manage food systems, contemplating how cities and buildings could become self-sustaining. Ecoshroom system combines architecture with plant and fungi intelligence, aiming to tackle these complex issues, enhancing urban living spaces and agriculture while reducing environmental impacts. What if the symbiosis of plants and fungi could be the brain of the architecture? Could plants and fungi cognitive abilities help manage our cities and food systems? The Ecoshroom installation features a biological system with sensors that interact with AI. Visitors can engage directly, influencing the system to implement the AI and adding organic waste to compost bins, demonstrating a living, self-regulating ecosystem. A life cycle that includes human, plants, fungi, machines, and architecture. Mycorrhizal fungi is a symbiotic association between fungi and plant roots, crucial for enhancing plant nutrient uptake and soil health. There are different types of mycorrhizal relationships, and the focus of Ecoshroom project is on Arbuscula mycorrhizae fungi, AMF, which specifically improve phosphorus absorption and supports sustainable agriculture. Comparing it to industrial farming, here you can see a tomato plant with and without Arbuscula mycorrhizal fungi, illustrating how AMF support healthier crops and carbon absorption. Mycorrhizal fungi forms extensive networks enhancing nutrient and water uptake and participate in real-time exchanges within plant root cells. In this video, we can see in detail the carbon exchange inside its hyphae. To further study plant and fungi resilience, we've developed a sensor that collects data on their interaction, focusing on electrical signals and environmental responses. These sensors help us bridge their cognitive abilities with the AI placed in different parts of the plant, allowing us to study their biological activity through time and adapt to climate changes by monitoring and adjusting to various environmental factors. Data from these experiments were analyzed by experts from Bruno Mendel University, VU Amsterdam and the Torino University, feeding into an AI prototype that predicts system needs based on environmental changes. Here the prototype architecture, where you can see the processes from the system with a selection of organisms that were part of the experiment together with external factors through a period of 5 weeks to train the machine learning. As a result, we will have a model class prediction that can foresee future events with the same organism set up. With these predictions, where the machine learning is still learning from the data, Ecoshroom becomes a hybrid system that merges AI with plant and fungi intelligence. Another output from Ecoshroom research is the production of the living tile, a building block made from plants and fungi that contributes to biodiverse and a healthier urban construction. Ecoshroom is an architectural hybrid system that responds to plant and fungi cognition combined with AI, brings up this fundamental question: could we share the world with the intelligence of these organisms? Ecoshroom invites us to envision a future where technology and nature coexist for mutual benefit.
Hungry Ecocities, a STARTS residencies project. Find more information about the project at starts.eu/hungry ecocities.